I put this up to sell calendars. How did I put that one there? It's the calendar. Next one, please. We released this a little while ago. These are ringa ringa whakaine whetu. These come from the manuscript of my ancestor, where he actually gives hand measuring actions to measure the stars that mark the months. Right? And I know many of you will have heard the song, Te tahi o pipiri te rua o takurua te toru. His hand actions, my tune. Right? Right? But those are actual stars rising in the morning. Right? The one thing that we've just released, and if you click the next one, are the hand actions for the lunar phases. Okay, so I was saying to you, oike o te tahi o pipiri, ngā mata o te marama, ko whiro, bum, 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 tiria, hoata, o e nuku okoro. Because they're in sections, right? They're not in single lunar phases, actually groups. Then tamatea aio, tamatea nana, tamatea kaiariki, tamatea tūhaha. So the moon getting bigger and bigger. Bum, 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 bum. Ariroa, huna, mawharu, ohua, atua, whakahahai, oturu. Bum, 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 bum. Rākau nui, rākau matohi, takirau, oeke, where we are now. Then we're coming into a 3-night. Bum, bum, bum. Kore, kore, tuatahi, kore, kore, rawea, kore, kore, whakapiri. Bum, 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 bum. Tangaroa, āmua, tangaroa, āroto, tangaroa, whakapau, tangaroa, whāriki, keo, keo. Ōtāne, big tree standing straight up. Ōrongo, the mounds of the gardens. Bum, bum. Ō mutu, mutu whenua. So you can actually hand action yourself into today is oeke, o te tahi o pipiri. Next one, please. Oh, yeah,